Today we will be going over Romania and its wine regions, specifically Muntenia. Romania is a Latin-based country located in the Eastern European section of the world. Its history dates back to almost 10,000 BC when cave paintings were first discovered in Transylvania. The original inhabitants of Romania were the Dacians, also referred to by the Greek as the Getae. The Roman Empire invasion occurred in 106 AD. Following many years, Romania finally became its own national state in 1862. After this, they continued to suffer invasions and began to be stripped of their natural resources by neighboring countries, such as Russia or the Soviet Union. In 1964, they declared autonomy within the communist bloc, and Nicolae Ceausescu rose to power. During these times, vineyards were evenly split among citizens. At times of harvest, everyone would harvest at the same time due to theft. The Romanian appellations include the IG, geographical indication, and DOC. Here we see in the Muntenia region, in the bottom south purple section, there are several DOCs within it. They include Dealu Mare, Ștefănești, Pietroasa, and part of Costești. The specific Muntenia grape varieties include, for the reds, Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot, Pinot Noir, a national varietal named Feteasca Neagră, which is translated to Black Maiden, Burgund de Mare, and Zwailgt. The white varieties include Busuioacă de Bohotin, Chardonnay, Feteasca Albă, Feteasca Regală, Muscat Otonel, Pinot Gris, Riesling Italico, Sauvignon Blanc, and the sweet wine varietal Tămăioasă Românească. The picture on the right side here is of Feteasca Neagră. Muntenia's topography is very impressive. The Carpathian Mountains stretch along the country, forming a sea around Transylvania. The highest peak is 2,544 meters above sea level. This is the Moldovan Peak. Here in Dealu Mare, we have south-sloping hills, which calls for well-drained vineyards. The climate in Muntenia is temperate to continental. Average temperatures of 10 to 11 degrees Celsius annually. Romania experiences an average rainfall of 600 millimeters annually. With all these attributes in topography and climate, some refer to Muntenia as the Bordeaux of Romania, in terms of terroir. Muntenia's soils include a lot of diversity, being at the foot of the hills. The western part is mostly clay, high in iron oxides, which yields great red varieties. On the easternmost part is limestone dominant, where Chardonnay thrives most. Here are some specific wineries in Muntenia. First we have Crama Băsescu, Budureasca, Davino, Serve, Ville Metamorphosis, Halewood, Domeniile Sătăheni, and Licorna. One specific winery in Romania, by the name of Davino, focuses on blends and native varietal Feteasca Neagră. They have a blend of Cabernet, Merlot, and Feteasca Neagră, which is 70% Cab Sauv, 20% Merlot, and 10% Feteasca Neagră. These wines are aged in 100% Romanian oak for a minimum of 9 to 10 months. They are then bottle aged for a minimum of 30 months. The Fitasca Neagra varietal is only aged for a minimum of 16 months in bottle, and it is as well aged in 100% Romanian oak. Romania is a country full of potential in terms of winemaking. Through its rough history and many unavoidable setbacks, it has come to a point in time where the potential could be realized. I believe that through the care and passion of local winemakers, the country's terroir will finally be realized perfectly in the international wine market.